It is officially pumpkin spice season. So I'm Danielle, the domestic scientist, and in today's video, I'm going to do a glam tablescape featuring some glass pumpkins from Mikasa and some beautiful salad plates from the art of the tablescape. So let's get started. All right, so first I want to start off by talking a little bit about the centerpiece that I created. And really the inspiration for my centerpiece is these glass pumpkins that I got for fall last year, and I purchased these from Home Goods, and they're from a company called Mikasa. They really make some great high quality home decor items, and I was super excited to find them at, of course, an affordable price. So because it's a turquoise and gold style pumpkin, I decided to put in some additional garland that brings in a bit of glam and of course a lot of glitter. So the garland that I used in between the pumpkins came from Hobby Lobby, and I happened to find this a few years ago on clearance. So I do like purchasing pre-decorated garland because it makes the decorating so much easier. I'm going to use a simple white placemat for today's table setting, and I'm using my turquoise charger plates. And I know turquoise is not typically a fall color, but it is one of my favorite colors, and I thought it would be a nice addition to today's tablescape. So when it comes to the dinner plates, I happened to find these dinner plates from at home probably, a good 5 or 7 years ago. And these are some of my favorite dinner plates, especially when it comes to seasonal decor. And of course, I have these great salad plates that I purchased last year at Home Goods also, and it is from a company called The Art of the Tablescape. So this pattern is very beautiful, but it is also very unique. So this is a salad plate that I use very sparingly, but it always makes a big impact. All right, so this is how the place setting came together, and I have to say my favorite part about today's tablescape is actually the place setting, and it really has to do with these gorgeous salad plates from the art of the tablescape. I absolutely love these salad plates, but when I first saw them, I thought that the pattern was a bit intimidating, and to be honest, I haven't been doing tablescapes for that long. So when I first started out, I would always do very simple looks, and I just wasn't really into mixing pattern too much because I really didn't have the skill set. But over time, I've learned to take a little bit more risk when it comes to mixing and matching china patterns. And I do find that you can create a lot of really unique and creative looks if you would just take a little bit of a leap of faith. So I do have a tablescape playlist and a few videos where I really feature how to mix china patterns. So I'm going to put a link to those videos in the description box below in case you're more interested in learning how to mix china patterns. Now, I'm Danielle, the domestic scientist. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.